Hello everybody, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage. So I want to show you projects that we're going to do. Those two cars brought here by a customer that he's very busy and he neglect the cars, and then what happened is those beautiful HPI 5B end up kind of self-destruct. And what happened is when you leave your cars outside for the element, what happened, they get rusted all over. And I'm gonna show you here the exhaust. This is a Dave discount motor exhaust that is completely rusted, and actually some of the welds even break because of it. The tires, they're all kind of busted and they're all dry and cracked, and actually if we go here you can see it much better. So it's gonna need new tires. And then the motors, this motor is seized completely, and there's another motor that's seized. What I'm gonna need to do is open them and actually show how to do that. This is the other car that it have a lot of improvement on it, but again everything is kind of stuck. I've just put some WD-40 on all the rusted parts, try to soften it up, but this motor completely seized. The fact that it's going up, it's until the motor actually is trying to engage. So those two cars are going to be our project cars that I'm going to do. It's going to take a very long time. We need the new tires. We're going to need probably two new top ends for the motors. We're going to need to put like new pull start. So I'm going to show how to do all this. So stay tuned, and don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and hit this bell icon over there just so you can see when we're doing all this. Those cars are kind of right now useless, but we're gonna make something very nice out of them. I don't see a reason why not to do that. You know, this not gonna cost a lot because I'm doing all the work and I'm not charging anybody. I got those cars from the customer, so I'm actually gonna make them nice and working. I'm assuming that each car probably gonna end up costing in parts about $300 to $500. That it's almost the cost of the vehicle themselves. But then we're gonna see how it's gonna end up after I'm done and clean with them. Remember this picture because we're gonna do it again after they're done. Bye.